Hello guys, welcome back to As Institute. Today is the topic why is important thinking to start speaking English. My dear guys, if you want to understand why is important thinking to learning English language, so please watch this video till end. My dear guys, thinking is very essential for speaking English. My dear guys, if you want to enhance your English language, if you want to improve your personality, so please think in English language. If you think in English language, one day you can improve your English language. You can improve your vocabulary. You can enhance your word meaning. If you think in English language, so one day you can become a great English speaker. But if you do not think in English language, maybe you can't speak in English language. If you are really passionate to learn English language, so please start thinking in English language. If you start thinking in English language, one day you can speak English language automatically. So I want to suggest you, my dear guys, if you wanna improve lot of English language, so please just start thinking in English language. If you how to think English language, my dear guys, if you wanna think in English language, so firstly you need to remind your work as well as what you work in holiday. If you work as a in morning time, as a, you can say I woke up early mornings, then I go to the taps, then I phrase, and then I drink water, then I take tea. You need to think in English language. If you do this work, so one day you can speak English. But my dear guys, if you do not think in English language, like my days, how am I thinking in English language? Please listen. Firstly, my dear guys, I think I woke up early morning, then I go to the tap, then I phrase, and then I take milks, then I get ready to go to school, and then I start study and sit this time, and then you can thinking this time. My dear guys, and 2 o'clock I will do this works, and if you think this type, so one day you can speak English. My dear guys, if you want to understand sir how to think in English language, so firstly second step, my dear guys, you do work in holiday, so convert in English language. You think in Hindi, but you need to convert in English language. If you convert this thing, so you can speak English. I hope you will understand this video. Jai Hind दोस्तों.